Are you looking for the best treadmills for your home? In this video we will look at some of the best treadmills for your home on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. NordicTrack T-Series Treadmill. This treadmill is a sturdy and high-tech treadmill that is on the pricier side, but is a solid investment. NordicTrack is a trusted brand and their treadmills are known to be comparable to a Peloton treadmill. The model I linked is the T6.5S model with a 5-inch display screen, because this is the cheapest option available currently on Amazon. This purchase comes with a 1-month iFit membership, which is their signature interactive personal training application that gives you access to workouts for on and off your treadmill. If you decide to get a newer model or larger display, your treadmill screen will be large enough to display the iFit workouts instead of having to view them from your phone or computer. The treadmill is foldable so that it doesn't take up too much space when you're not using it. When the treadmill is unfolded, the dimensions are 73LX36WX54H, and when the treadmill is folded the dimensions are 38LX36WX67.5H, 22X55 tread belt. Our library of on-demand workouts feature automatic trainer control, where our world-class trainers digitally control your speed and incline for a great workout. Take your workout to the next level with impressive decline and incline capabilities. With iFit, your trainer will auto-adjust your treadmill to mimic real-world terrain. Number 2. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. This is another great treadmill made by Goplus with a compact design that offers more versatility and high-tech features. It has a walking mode when the handrails are folded down and a running mode when you flip up the handlebars. In walking or jogging mode the speed range is 1 to 4 km per hour, and when the handrail is raised the speed can go up to 12 km per hour. It also has a Bluetooth speaker built in and a remote control that can be used to conveniently adjust the speed. There is also a mini LCD display that can show you your workout time, speed, distance, and calories burned. With a powerful and ultra-quiet 2.25 HP motor, this superfit treadmill allows you to walk or run without disturbing others, making it ideal for home and office use. With a sturdy and durable steel frame and multi-layer shield design, it's shock-absorbing and noise-reducing, making your running quieter, safer and more comfortable. Connect the superfit treadmill to your phone through Bluetooth, so you can play music while you are exercising. You can also use the phone holder to watch videos or chat with friends. The remote control is convenient to adjust the speed of movement and stop instantly. Smart app control is perfect to record exercise data and running with other users. Number 3. Sunny Fitness SFT1407M Treadmill. This treadmill is a great option if you don't have a lot of space and are looking for a more compact and easily portable treadmill. It still features a mini LCD monitor display, which shows your workout time, speed, calories burned, and steps. Having a monitor that can help you track your workouts is beneficial because it can help you stick to your minimum activity or step goal each day. When the treadmill is unfolded the dimensions are 49-inch LX23WX50H, and when the treadmill is folded the dimensions are 20 LX23WX50H. Because it is so lightweight, the treadmill is built to withstand walking or light jogging, but not running. Begin your fitness journey and start walking on the SFT1407M manual walking treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness. Improve your health as you walk on the treadmill that requires no plugs or electricity. Simply get on and go. Hold on to the soft foam hand grips which allow you to maintain balance as you walk on the slight fixed incline. This treadmill is excellent for small studios or apartments, DIMs, 49L x 23W x 50H in, and can be easily folded and rolled away into a closet or from room to room. Number 4. XTERRA Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill. This treadmill is a more economical option and is still equipped with all the features to allow for a great walking or running workout. It features an LCD display that shows your workout time, speed, distance, calories, and pulse. You can adjust the incline manually to 3 different incline options. The type of motor and material of the treadmill deck helps reduce the stress on your joints and ensures a more smooth and quiet workout. The dimensions are 63.3-inch LX 29W x 51.7H when the treadmill is unfolded, however it still has a large walking surface, 16x50. It also has folding capacity to minimize clutter when it's not in use. Specifically designed for the home environment, the TR150 incorporates numerous thoughtful features that were developed with your performance and comfort in mind. Hand grip pulse sensors are conveniently mounted on the side handlebars to help keep you in your training zone. Start on the road to fitness today with the XTERRA TR150 treadmill and exceed your expectations. Number 5. Goplus Ultra-Thin Electric Folding Treadmill. This sleek treadmill is a pricier option compared to the Sunny Health and Fitness Compact and Portable Treadmill. It has a small LCD display that shows your workout metrics, and also includes a tablet PC/phone holder. This would make it easy to take video conference calls from the treadmill. It has an ultra-thin foldable design, so that you could potentially slide this under your bed when you're not using it. Again, because of the sleeker design, the speed capacity is maxed out at 5 miles per hour, so it is not suitable for faster runs. Our foldable treadmill with spacious running belt could provide effective workout space for you. It is great for walking, jogging and running, helping to boost your aerobic capacity and burn more calories. Designed for home use, it features a compact and ultra-thin design for easy storage. And the safety key can be stopped urgently to ensure your safety. 2 built-in transport wheels are easy to move.